Hi, it's Michael McKillican, Sutton, West Coast of Nanaimo. This is a beautiful property on North Nanaimo. It offers 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2 stories, level entry walkout on a massive lot with potential subdivision. Call the City of Nanaimo for any details. Ocean views, beautiful deck, lots of landscaping, and basically could be used as an estate forever, or wait until the further Bradbury continues the road below that accesses from the property as well in the future. Give me a call, 250-756-2112. Again, it's Michael McKillican, Sutton, West Coast of Nanaimo. This is 161 Bonavista.